Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to kitchenwithnabila.com. The article of this video available on my website. You can visit my website and welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am going to make two types of flour bread. So this is the equipment I have to make flour bread. So the first thing we have to do is, I have taken half a bowl of flour. You can take it at your own expense. First of all, I have taken a bowl. Here I am putting flour in it. After that, I am adding a teaspoon of salt to taste. Now I am adding only 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now we will mix it well. We have to make a good mixture of flour. That's why I am adding water into it now. We have to add water in the flour in such a way that the flour is well prepared, not too thin and not too thick. I am adding a little more water to make the flour mixture thinner. And I will keep mixing it well again until it's properly prepared. So this is a good mixture of flour. I am pouring the flour mixture into a small jug. I put it on the stove to heat the pan. This is how I put the flour mixture into the pan. I will let it cook on medium heat for only 5 seconds till bubbles form on top of it. This way, when bubbles start to form on top of it, one side of it will be cooked. So now I am changing the side. I will also let the other side of it cook for half an inch so that it's cooked well from the inside and give a light brown color to the flour bread. Now I am changing its side. I will give here the other side for about 5 minutes. Now this is all flour bread that is cooked very well. Now I am taking it out in a pot. Mashallah, how well prepared is our flour bread. Now I am sprinkle oil on it. Now I will bake the second flour bread in the same way. Then I will go ahead and tell you in the video what I am going to make the next flour bread in the special way. So you can watch this video without skip. Now that it's ready, I am putting it in the pot. I have also sprinkled cooking oil on it. After that, I am mixing with a brush. Now I am making the third bread of flour with some special method. So first of all, I am putting the flour mixture in the pan. I will let it cook medium heat for only 5 seconds till bubbles form on top of it. Now I am changing its side. I will just let other side cook for another 5 minutes. After the light brown color of bread comes, I cook it on the fire. We only have to keep it on fire for 2 seconds. If we keep it too long, it will burn. Mashallah, our today's flour bread recipe has been prepared. You will definitely try it too, inshallah. You will like it very much. How did you like this video? You must tell me in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video and waiting for my next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.